Hey, it's Al with Ballista, and I have some exciting news. After, I think we've been at this for about 9 months now, our next book is finally coming out, and man, is it a doozy. So we've really brought together everything that you need, not just to build your business, but to take your business to the next level. So what our book is offering, all kinds of things all in one, right? The first thing, we're going to talk about your business structure. Now, when it comes to business structure, what are we talking about is, are you going to set up as a DBA, as an LLC, as a corporation, as a C Corp LLC, and what those differences mean to you and your business. From there, we're going to talk about your personal credit. But Al, what does my personal credit have to do with starting a business? Everything. Your personal credit matters when you start establishing credit for the business. So making sure that your credit is on point is what's going to help you really build your business and take your business to that next level. No matter what kind of financing you're needing, whether you're going through a traditional financier like a bank or you're going through an investor, your personal credit is going to matter. The behaviors that you have when it comes to money matters. So that's going to be the second thing we talk about. The third thing we talk about is business credit. Well, wait a minute. You just said my personal credit matters. Absolutely. Business credit also matters. But what is business credit? We have an entire book just talking about how to go about building your business credit without it costing you money. There are ways that you can do it quick. If you want to spend all kinds of money on it, we actually walk you through the process where you don't have to spend money on it to make sure that you get the right credit for your business so that when you need it, you have the credit available, the financing available, whether it's building a new building or increasing your warehousing, increasing your inventory stock, paying your employees, whatever it is. We want you to get there. We include that book in there. Marketing is so important. Without marketing, you don't get leads. That's the bottom line. Without marketing, without the right marketing plan, you can't grow your business. So we talk about marketing. We include our marketing book in there. It's in there. Now, here is the next best part. This is like number 3 best part about this. We have an entire book talking about how to get an investor. Now, when it comes to getting investors, there are all sorts of ways to do it, but we talk you through the process that we have used to gather more than $100 million in investment capital over the years. Step by step, because we want you to be ready so that you can go out, whether it's talking to friends and family and getting friends and family in as investors, or going out and finding an investor to invest in your business, invest in your dream. You need to be ready. Now, here is the part that I believe is really 100% fantastic and sets this book apart. We're giving you a business plan template. This business plan template is the same one that we have used to get that $100 million. Business plan is not enough. Within that, it also has the executive summary template, because the executive summary is what you want to show. It's the elevator pitch for your business plan. On top of that, a pitch deck template. For those that don't know, a pitch deck is a 12 to 15 page presentation, short presentation that explains everything about your business to an investor, to a potential investor. We include that template in there for you. Now this one is very critical. We're going to include an investor list. Now this investor list includes the name of the organization, website, contact information, generally a phone number, and an email address for you to be able to get a hold of investors directly. Within How to Get an Investor book, we specifically talk about the process that you should take when selecting an investor. The last thing you want to do is blast your idea out to every investor that you can find, because they're going to tell you no, and they're going to remember your name as somebody who didn't care to take the time to figure out whether or not you were a good investment for them. So we walk you through that entire process. All of this is included in our book that's getting ready to launch. It is scheduled to launch on September 1, and we are so excited about this. It's going to be an electronic edition, so this investor list is coming in an Excel spreadsheet. The beauty of that, if you know how to use your email platform, you can select the investors that you want to communicate with, do a mail merge, and it'll send the emails for you. It's almost hands-free. We want you to be successful. We want to give you all of the tools for you to be successful. Now, because of what we've already received, the feedback that we've received from individuals and how excited people are, over the next coming days, we're going to talk about an early bird special where you can pre-order and save up to 30% on the cost of this book with everything that comes in it. 30% savings with our early bird special. Keep an eye out. We'll be posting it up on our Facebook page. We'll talk to you soon.